In this video, we're going to be covering the top affiliate programs for 2018. So what's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire-ass piece of content. Now, I'm not in front of my laptop right now, but I will be in a second. So what we're going to be covering is the top affiliate programs for 2018, because somebody recently asked me, is there any additional options instead of ClickBank, right? Now, guys, there's plenty of options instead of ClickBank. And in this video, we're going to be covering how you guys can leverage these affiliate programs to make a bunch of money, and more importantly, figure out which one is the best for you. And we're also going to be covering the 3 types of affiliate programs. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell to join the freaking family if you guys want to learn how to walk away from your 9 to 5 and join the life of freedom. And number 2, if you guys want to know my number 1 recommendation to make money online and my number 1 affiliate program that I'm currently promoting, click the first link in the description. So let's get into it. Now, if you take a look, guys, first and foremost, there are 3 types of affiliate networks that we're going to be covering within this video. And we're going to make it short, sweet, and to the point, right? Number 1 is CPA. What is CPA? CPA is simply cost per action, right? What that means is you're getting paid for a specific action. And the cool thing about CPA networks is that you can literally get paid without even generating a sale sometimes, right? So if you literally go on Google and type in CPA networks or the best CPA networks, right, you literally find different affiliate networks that you can find products literally getting paid just to generate leads, just to generate clicks, just to generate people filling out a submission form, right? You don't even have to get sales, right? So it depends on, and there are some that we're going to be covering that you do actually have to get sales, right, to get paid, right? Number 2 is e-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is simply physical products, right? Tangible products. And we're going to be covering some affiliate networks within that, right? I personally do not. I'm going to show it to you guys just because that might be for some people, but I don't do e-commerce products because they have such low profit margins. And what do I mean by that? If you're selling something physical, right, the biggest expense is called COG. Cost of goods. Meaning, if I wanted to go ahead and promote these pillows, right, it costs me to make these pillows, right, which are going to cut out a large amount of your profit margins, right, a lot of your earning potential. So with that being said, this is physical. If I sell something digital, there's no profit margin, right? It's a digital product, right? As soon as somebody buys it, they get sent to their email or instant access. So with that being said, you have much larger profit margins, and these people are able to pay you more commissions, right? So CPA is definitely over e-commerce. With CPA networks, you can literally get paid upwards of 70 to 80% in commissions, average about 50%. E-commerce, you're going to be getting paid anywhere from 5% to 10%. We'll cover those networks in a second. And last but not least, number 3 is affiliate programs. Guys, what an affiliate program is simply any software or anything that you guys use that has an affiliate program, right? They might not create like a sales process or a video sales letter for it, but it might be like literally something that you're already using, like a tool or a resource, something that you're just using. And if you recommend it to somebody, right, because you're already using it, they're like, hey, what do you use to track an example, like with affiliate marketing, I use something called ClickMagick to track my traffic. They might say, hey, what do you use to track your traffic? I use ClickMagick. Boom, they go ahead and get and I can go ahead and get a commission, right? But let's go ahead and cover some affiliate networks. First and foremost, one that I'm promoting as of right now. Now, guys, I'll be very transparent with you guys. A lot of people won't be, but companies come and go, brands last forever. So with that being said, this is a company that I'm promoting at the time being because I believe in the actual value that they provide. They have great training, and the coaches and everything of that nature, they close sales for you. Right, so that'll actually be the first link in my description, the Super Affiliate Network, right? See if you get accepted. This one you actually, and people always see me talking about like ClickBank and things along those lines, guys. I do high ticket affiliate marketing, right, to where the income earning potential is a lot higher. And what happens is they have coaches and they have a phone sales team that close high ticket products for you, So we can get paid as high as like $5,000, right? So this would be the first link in the description right now. If I'm promoting something later on, then that's what will be in the first link in the description, right? Whatever my high ticket affiliate offer is at that time, right? As stated before, guys, companies come and go, right? It is what it is, but brands last forever. That's why I'm here to just build my personal brand, right? Number two is another affiliate program. This is ClickFunnels. I also am a ClickFunnels affiliate, right? It's called Affiliate Bootcamp, right? That'll be the second link in the description. Affiliate Bootcamp is simply, guys, being an affiliate for ClickFunnels, right? So ClickFunnels is a software, but what's pretty cool is that the guy who is the creator of ClickFunnels is literally a freaking genius in internet marketing, and he has a series of products that you can promote as an affiliate. And the top affiliate has made over $1 million with ClickFunnels, right? Just to give you guys a perspective. So affiliatebootcamp.com. But if you guys want to use my personal affiliate link, it'll be the second link in the description. Number three, another CPA network is ClickBank, guys. ClickBank is by far the best CPA network out there. They have over 5,000 products to choose from. They have over a dozen niches, right, to where you guys can like a plethora of categories that you guys can actually find products within. And they've paid out over $1 billion in commissions, right? I'm not going to go too in depth with that one. It's self-explanatory. You guys can go to clickbank.com if you guys want to go ahead and get access to that as an affiliate. And that one is actually, not everybody gets approved. So that's one thing that I like about it, because a lot of people, they don't know what the hell they're doing with affiliate marketing. They just spam out links, right? So ClickBank, right? I like them because they don't accept everybody, right? Number two, I like JVZoo. The reason why I like JVZoo is because just like ClickBank, they focus on digital products, which gives you guys a very high profit margin. So a lot of people who can't get accepted for ClickBank try to get accepted for JVZoo, right? JVZoo, a little bit different background. I'm not going to go into depth, like showing you guys the interface and the background of what's actually inside. You do your own research, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys to these affiliate networks. So JVZoo is pretty cool, right? And yeah, award-winning, over 9.5 million products sold across 22 categories, right? So that shows you guys they're pushing freaking volume, right? Another affiliate network is if you go to Affiliati. It's called Affiliati, and you go to AFFILIATI network.com, affiliatinetwork.com. I'll leave it across the page here. And guys, you simply go ahead at the top right here, you press sign up, right? You apply, and basically affiliate sign up. As soon as you scroll below, it literally says affiliate sign up. And then once you go ahead and get access, you can see what type of products you can sell, right? Another one is Share a Sell. Now, guys, I've never used this one, but if looking at the home page, they actually look like an e-commerce website. Remember, I was telling you guys, right? Physical products. So you can look into Share a Sell, and you could affiliate at the top right. Somebody says affiliate sign up, right? But it looks like physical products, right? E-commerce. Another one is CJ Affiliate. You simply go to www.cj.com, right? www.cj.com, and it says $15 billion annually, right? So that I mean, I don't know how realistic that is, but they're saying that they're producing $15 billion in revenue for their clients with affiliates, right? So obviously they're crushing it. And all you have to do is simply go ahead and create an account, log in, and then become an affiliate. Next is RakutenMarketing.com/affiliate, right? So what you do is you go to RakutenMarketing.com, and you simply go to, there's a section that says affiliate. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and, let's take a look here. So where you can actually become an affiliate, it looks like, is the United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany, Brazil, and Italy, right? So with that being said, if you're not from the US, but you're from one of those countries, right, go to Rakuten Marketing, go to affiliate, and I'm not sure exactly what type of products, but you do your own research. It says the #1 affiliate network. The industry has voted us the #1 affiliate network marketing for 7 consecutive years, And in 2016, we eclipsed past performance by facilitating more than 100 million orders worldwide. So with that being said, that's a big claim, so they might be a good affiliate network. See if it's for you guys, right? Next is TradeDoubler.com. Connect and Grow. You can use them. Create an account. I really didn't do too much. I found this as one of the affiliate networks. So it says Trade Doubler is a global affiliate marketing network with almost 20 years of experience in digital marketing innovation. I haven't done too much research on them, so I'm not going to personally endorse them, but check it out, right? If you try all these affiliate networks, they don't work, try TradeDoubler.com, right? Next is, the next two are e-com websites. Now, as stated before, I do not promote e-com websites, and I do not endorse them. Some people have made millions of dollars off of them, right? So to each his own, right? I personally don't do it. But if you guys want to know what they are, the two biggest ones are Amazon Associates. That's actually the #1 affiliate marketing company in the world, right? And you have to get, you simply go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, or you just type in amazonassociates.com. And what you're going to do is you apply to join their affiliate program. They're going to ask how you're going to promote it. You show them your website or your YouTube channel or whatever you have, and you tell them how you're going to go to promote it. They'll accept you, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and make money with their physical products. Now, the best way to make money with physical products is product reviews, right? But I'm not buying a whole bunch of products to do product reviews. But there's been people who've made millions of dollars off of it, right? So to each his own. But there you go, Amazon Associates. And last but not least is eBay Partner Network. Now, as stated before, guys, this is physical products. This is e-commerce. eBay Partner Network. And the reason why I like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, if I was to do e-commerce, I'd do affiliate marketing e-commerce. But I mean, you could do your own e-commerce. I would prefer doing like Amazon FBA over Amazon Associates because there's much larger profit margins, right? But with that being said, guys, those are some e-commerce websites. Those are some CPA networks. Those are some. I really didn't go over too many affiliate programs. The only thing that's kind of like an affiliate program is the Super Affiliate Network that I'm currently promoting right now, and Affiliate Bootcamp. Now, as stated before, being very transparent, guys, I've promoted multiple affiliate programs. Some of the companies have gone down based off of FTC regulations. It happens, right? It's a part of the game, right? If you're scared of that, affiliate marketing isn't for you, right? But if you aren't afraid of joining a company, right, and learning, right, and applying what you learn and making income doing so, and if, let's just say, a company goes down, guys, it's not about the company, it's about your brand, right? Build your freaking brand, build your following, build your income, and ride the wave while it lasts. And then if something happens, transition to the next wave, right? At this current moment, I'm promoting Super Affiliate Network. It'll be the first link in the description. And any person who seriously invests big money into this, I'll actually give you guys one of my courses. That's a $1,000 course for free. Super Affiliate Network. Now, guys, I said it before. If you click the link and it doesn't show Super Affiliate Network, that just means I'm promoting a different product at that time, right? So that's number one. Number two is I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels. It'll be the second link in the description as well. And you guys can literally promote ClickFunnels products. I've made like $5,000 with them. And then all these other affiliate networks and affiliate programs that I showed you guys. Now, with that being said, if you guys like that video, make sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really does help. And number two, go ahead and smash that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell to join the family so I can help you leave that 9 to 5, right? And let me know which affiliate program that you're going to go ahead and join. And number two is I do listen to you guys. If there's something that you're struggling with within your business, or if there's anything that I can help you guys with by simply creating a video, simply comment down below. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.